theorem, Pythagoras theorem, so that is equal to c square is equal to a square plus b square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base whole square plus perpendicular whole square according to the Pythagoras theorem. So now we substitute the value here. Hypotenuse is r square is equal to base is x square plus perpendicular is y square. Now y is given already, y is equal to 4. Now we put the values here. So r is equal to 5 square is equal to x is required x square plus y is 4 square. Now we get here 25 x square plus 4 square 16. So if we change this, so the sign is also changed. X square is equal to 25 minus 16. We get here 9. Taking square root on both sides, so we get plus minus 9 under root is equal to plus minus 3. So this will be cancelled. X is equal to plus minus 3. So x we take negative because here and x is y, and the negative sign x is we will take here x is equal to minus 3. Now cos theta we are finding the other trigonometric ratio. Cos theta